Hello, today we will guide you through how to generate a profit and loss statement in Manager.io. A profit and loss statement, sometimes called an income statement, shows your organization's revenue, expenses, and the bottom line for a period. Generating it in Manager.io is quick once you know where to look, and the key settings ensure the numbers reflect exactly what you intend. Start by opening Manager.io and going to your company file. Give the app a moment to load your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Reports. This is where Manager.io groups all of its pre-built financial statements and summaries. Click Reports to open it. Inside Reports, find Profit and Loss. This is the standard statement that summarizes income and expenses. Click Profit and Loss to continue, and then choose New Report. The New Report button starts a fresh configuration so you can define exactly what the statement should include. You'll see options for narrowing the report. If you're preparing a statement for a particular customer, select that customer from the list. This filters income and expense activity related to them, which is helpful for account reviews or contract profitability. If you want a company-wide statement, simply keep the selection broad. Enter a clear title for the report. A descriptive title like Profit and Loss. January to March helps you recognize it later. In the description field, add helpful context, such as the purpose of the report, internal notes, or assumptions you want anyone reading it to understand. Next, set the date range. Pick the exact period you want to analyze: month, quarter, fiscal year, or a custom span. Double-check the start and end dates so the report aligns with your closing schedule. Choose the accounting method. Accrual recognizes income when it's earned and expenses when they're incurred, giving you the most complete operational view. Cash recognizes activity only when money changes hands, which can be better for cash flow tracking or certain compliance needs. Pick the method your accounting policies require. When everything looks right, click Create. Manager.io will build the profit and loss statement based on your selections. Take a moment to review the totals for income, cost of goods sold, and operating expenses, and confirm that the net profit or loss matches expectations for the period. If something seems off, revisit the report settings and adjust the filters, dates, or method until the view matches your records. That's it. You've generated a profit and loss statement in Manager.io that's clear, accurate, and ready to share.